Come on, ladies.
Alright.
No, not right there. Over the sink.
We're doing this challenge.
We're doing it again, but this time with Mira, and I'm not going to.
Alright, let's go at the same time. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared.
1, 2, 3, go. Water, here. Ellie, you okay? Did you put it in yet? Did you let it go?
Get some plaster.
Oh, Elle, do you need water? Are you gonna cry, baby? Don't cry. Just spit it out. Oh, Elle, it's still in your mouth.
Elle doesn't even swallow it. Oh.
So you're just holding it in there. You don't even have to try to swallow it. It just hits your throat and you're like...
It tastes so bad.
Oh.
It tastes like plaster.
It does. Oh.
You okay, Mira? No.
Ah!
Elle.
I did it 2 times. Give me a break.
I'm gonna do it a second time too by myself.
Ellie, you wanted to do it 2 times.
That's true.
Because I want to see if it would hurt my throat.
We all done, girls? You gonna give it the hands up? Put it. Thumbs up.